Hey guys, how are you doing? So in the last lecture, I forgot to tell you a very important rule of indices is that if you have something like, let's say, let's take it a number once again. If you have something like x power minus a, what this really means is that it is equal to 1 upon x power a. Or if you have something like 1 upon x power minus a, what this means is the number is actually x power a. Right, so this was a very important rule I forgot to tell you in the previous video. So yeah, let's say if you have something like 5x power minus 3, what this really means is that it's 5 divided by x upon 3. Alright, similarly if you have y upon x power minus 3, what this really means is that it's yx cube. So yeah, this is the meaning of this though, so don't get confused. That's why I thought that I should make a video on this so that you guys don't face any problem in these types of questions. So, and once again I have some questions for you, so let's solve them. Let me just move it a bit down so that we have ample of space here. So yeah, let's go on solving these questions. So first of all, as I told you, always you need to expand the brackets. So let's start by this bracket here. So if you multiply 4 by 2, we have all studied this in the previous video, guys. If you have any doubt, please watch the previous video. So it's 4 2s are 8, x upon 8 multiplied by y power minus 1. So it's minus 1 multiplied by 2. It's y power minus 2. Simple. Let's move on to this bracket. So nothing to expand here, simply write x power 5, y power minus 3 multiplied by, moving on to this one. So it's x power, you need to multiply minus 2 with 2, so it's minus 4 multiplied by y power 6, 2's are 12. So 2 is outside the bracket, write it as it is. And x power minus 2, 6 power minus 2. So y has power 3, whole power minus 2, so it's 3 multiplied by minus 2, so it's minus 6. So it's y power minus 6. Now, what you guys need to do is just eliminate these minus signs so that you don't have any confusion. So let's just simplify it. Oh wait, let me just cancel it. So it's 8 minus 5 is remains 3, x power 3 remains, x power 3. So this y power minus 3 goes to the numerator and this comes to the denominator. So it's y power 3 divided by y power 2. Okay, multiply, this remains as it is, y power 12. This x power minus 4 goes down and these two things go up. So it's x power 2 multiplied by y power 6 divided by 2 multiplied by x power 4. Okay, now it becomes pretty easy, you can just solve it. This y power 2 cancels this 3, remains 1, 3 minus 2. And let's see what else can we cancel. So this x power 3 cancels this, 4 minus 3 is 1, and this one cancels this, 2 minus 1 is again 1. So what we have on the numerator is this y1, y power 12, and x power 1, y power 6. So it's just x power 1 multiplied by y power 6 plus 12 plus 1 divided by 2. So the answer is x y power 19 upon 2. So yeah, yeah, this is our final answer, guys. Okay, you got it. You just need to flip the negatives here. We're moving on to the next one. So it's under root. What we can write it like this is x y power 16 whole power 1 upon 2. This also we studied in the previous lecture. Now let's open the brackets. So it's x power 1 upon 2 multiplied by y power 16 upon 2. So that is 8. So x power, yeah, x power 1 upon 2 and y power 8. This is our final answer, guys. Now this is a good question. You can pause the video and try it yourself, then I'll solve it for you. Yeah, you can just try this question. So yeah, I hope you all have tried. Let's solve it. So it's 5, the question says 5 minus 7, 23. Now, what is 5 square? 5 square is 25, so minus 25 minus 16. Be careful, guys, this division here, so only 16 is divided by 2 cube, so you can write it as 16 upon 2 cube. What is 2 cube? So it's 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So yeah, be careful, guys, with these types of things. So yeah, we can further go solving this. It's 5 minus 7. 23 minus 25 is minus 2. Minus this becomes 2. So you multiply this 5. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 14. Minus 2. So it's 12 plus 5. And the answer is 17. Please make sure you apply board mass here, otherwise you'll get the question wrong. And in the last two questions we are required to find x, so let me teach a method how to do these types of questions. Let's look at our first question. So it's 2x power 1, x plus 1 equals to 16. We are given this and we are required to find x. What you need to do is find what power of 2 is 16. So let's think, what power of 2 is 16? I think 2 power 4 is 16, right? Because it's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 4, 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. So I can write it as 2 power x plus 1 equals 2 power 4. Now whenever you have these types of equations in which the base is same but the powers are different, you can just equate the powers. Simply equate the power, guys. So it becomes x plus 1 equals 4 and x equals 3. Okay, so x equals 3 is our answer. Let's try out the next one. Just you need to make the bases same and then equate the powers. So it's 3 power x. And let's think, what power of 3 is 81? I think 3 power 4 is 81. So it's like it's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. It's 9 square, 81. So 3 power x equals 1 upon 3 power 4. Now remember the rule I taught you. Yeah, let's go back to the rule. If you have x power a, you can write it as 1. If you have 1 upon x power a, you can write it as x power minus a. Similarly, we can write this 3 power x equals 3 power minus 4. Now the bases are same. We just equate the power, so x equals minus 4. Bam, we got our answer. This is our final answer, guys. So Yeah, just remember this rule. These are very important rules. Please note them down, and don't mess up the negative signs in your examination. Otherwise, the whole question will go wrong. Okay. So yeah, pretty much it for the video, and I can promise you that this was our last video of the algebra series. Still, if you have any doubts, any queries, you don't understand any topic in IGCSE or even secondary checkpoint students if watching physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, feel free to contact me. You can reach out to me by my email ID or just message me on Instagram. I'll reply you for sure. So let's end this video, and in the next lecture series we'll study about lines, angles and shapes. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe the channel, and yeah, please like the video and do comment if you have any complaints or you want me to improve on some areas. Make sure you do that. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.